everyone, today we'll be making lunch. We're gonna make a BLT today. It's one of my favorite sandwiches to make because you need very little ingredients, it's salty, it's savory, and very easy to make. Before we get started, you'll need a few things: bread, mayo, lettuce, tomatoes, olive oil, bacon, and a cast iron skillet to cook your bacon in. Okay, let's get started. We're gonna wanna preheat our cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. Once your cast iron skillet is nice and hot, we'll add in our bacon and we'll cook the bacon for anywhere between 7 and 10 minutes. Once our bacon is done cooking, we're gonna remove it from the cast iron skillet and place it on a tray over some paper towel to pat dry any extra oil. Now that your bacon is fully cooked, you'll want to wash and cut your lettuce and your tomatoes and set aside while you toast your bread. Once your bread is toasted, you'll want to go ahead and spread some mayo on one slice of your toast. We'll go ahead and we'll take some slices of bacon and add it to the slice of toast where we spread our mayo. Then we'll add some tomato to the other side of the slice of bread. And finally, we can go ahead and add some lettuce. We'll finish by adding a splash of olive oil over to our veggies. Now we'll evenly cut our sandwich down the middle. Voila, lunch is served.